welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Omeka CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6. Omeka is a free and open source system for handling online digital collections. It is a web application that allows users to publish and extend its functionality with themes and plugins. First, check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now log in MySQL as a root user. Enter the password for MySQL. Now create the database. Now create the user by the name of Omeka user. Now I'm going to grant the privilege for the user to the DB Omeka DB. Now flush the privileges. Exit MySQL. Now I'm going to download Omeka package by using wget command in /mnt directory. The file is downloaded. Now I'm going to unzip the file by using unzip command. The file is unzipped. Now I'm going to rename and move the file to Apache root directory. Change the directory to Apache root directory. List this. This is the file which we renamed. Now change the ownership permission for the file. Now change the permission for the file. To create the virtual host to access Omeka CMS. Press I to the insert mode. Server name. This is our domain name. linuxhelp1.com. Now mention document root directory. Save and quit. Now go to the Omeka configuration file to mention the user and DB. Press I to the insert mode. Mention here your username of the database Omeka. Mention your database password. Mention here your DB name, localhost. Now save and quit. Now put the host entry. Press I to the insert mode. Save and quit. Now go to the browser. Search here your domain name. This is the installation page of Omeka CMS. Here we can create the first user. By this, the installation of Omeka CMS in Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.